Do you want to use 15-second video social media to get more eyes on your social media posts? In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about vertical videos for social media, including how to use Instagram for business, how to use TikTok for business marketing, and easy Instagram Reels ideas for handmade business. My name is ELISE Nelson, and I help tech challenge makers build a profitable e-commerce brand. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel, where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. In this short video, we'll be answering the questions: how to use short videos for e-commerce, and how long should a social media video be for your e-commerce business. Before we jump into this maker lesson, I'd love to know if you've ever tried to create a 15-second to 1-minute video for your e-commerce business and what you thought about it. Leave a comment and let me know. All right, so why are TikTok, Reels, and Stories important for business? Well, number one is the visibility on the platform. If you look at where these show up on the specific social media channels, you will see that they are given preference. It's obvious when you just look at the platform. Stories on Instagram and Facebook are at the top of the page. It's the first thing you see. Lives on Instagram are first at the top of the page with stories. Lives on Facebook send specific notifications to your followers and show on the Watch Live feed, in addition to being at the top of the page. Reels on Instagram are front and center on the Instagram app. They're shown in the home feed and the Explore tab, so this is going to get you more eyes. And then, of course, TikTok is an entirely new platform, which means even more visibility by being in a new place. Pinterest idea pins are the newest feature on Pinterest, and they are shown first on your Pinterest account. Now, if you want more help with your e-commerce brand, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications on my YouTube channel, where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. So why is it important to create short videos for social media? So we talked about already where the placement is. So in addition to placement on the platform, video content is given preference by the algorithm or bot on most platforms. And the newest extra features, which mostly consist of video, by the way, are always given preference by the algorithm. In addition to that, 58% of viewers watch a video to the end if it's less than 60 seconds. So you are actually going to increase your watch time when you do short videos. If it is less than 60 seconds, people will watch it to the end. Now, before we jump into the rest of the lesson, please like this video. Also, be sure to stick with me to the end of the video to learn your challenge for today. How long should a social media video be? So we are going to jump into the actual video lengths for these specific platforms. And what these are the limits. So that doesn't necessarily mean you have to make one this length, but these are your limits. Typically, we're looking at 3 minutes or less if you're looking at short form video. But I'm also going to talk to you about long form video here as well. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So you can see all the platforms will accept 26 seconds. Now I've put some little notes here that I want to go over for Facebook Stories and Instagram Reels. Facebook Stories will take 20 seconds native. So if you're recording on Facebook, you can only record 20 seconds. But if you upload a pre-recorded video, you can upload up to 26 seconds. On Instagram Reels, you can do a 15-second native recording. But if you upload it, you can do up to 1 minute. Now, I want to let you guys know these times may change as the platforms are constantly changing and evolving. But at the time of this video, these are the correct times. So anything can do 26 seconds. Anything except for Facebook Stories can do 30 seconds. And Facebook Stories and Facebook Reels cannot do 1 minute. At 3 minutes, we also lose out on Instagram Stories and Instagram Reels because those can only be 1 minute. And Pinterest can only be 2 minutes. Same with Twitter. So that's why we lose them at 3 minutes. And then the platforms that are available for 60 minutes or up is your Facebook feed, your Facebook Live, your Instagram feed, and your Instagram Live. And then, of course, YouTube. So if you're looking at having longer videos, longer than 3 minutes, these are really the platforms that you're going to be using. Is going to be the feed or live on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. All right, so those are your times. If you're wanting to know what is the ideal time for each of these, as I said, over 50% of people will watch a video if it is a minute or less. So on pretty much every platform except for YouTube, my suggestion would be 1 minute or less. If you're just looking for like a promotional type of post. If you're doing something like going live, 1 minute isn't long enough for people to actually get on there with you. So if you're doing something live, my recommendation is you have to make it past 10 minutes because it usually takes 10 minutes to get the algorithm to start sending everything to everybody and for people to realize that you're live and get on. Now, sometimes this isn't the case if it's a pre-scheduled live, but for the most part, you're going to start seeing more engagement after that 10-minute mark. So I recommend getting at least 10 minutes on those. And then YouTube, again, 10 minutes and up is the best way to go just because you can get monetized at 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is what they typically recommend just because that's going to make it so that in the future you have the opportunity to get monetized. Also, anything much longer than that and people start to leave off. So 10 minutes is a pretty good ballpark for any of these ones that are 60 minutes or up. That's not to say you can't do longer videos, but I would say anything shorter than 10 minutes is not really going to do as well for you in the long run. Today's question was, have you ever tried to create a 15-second to 1-minute video for your e-commerce business? What did you think about it? Leave a comment and let me know. If you want more e-commerce tips about how to create good videos for social media, be sure to check out my next video all about the importance of video on social media. Also, be sure to watch my last YouTube video about the best social media platforms for videos. If you're ready to take your social media to the next level, you should join us for the Social Media Growth Challenge, which is all about short-form vertical video like TikTok, Reels, and Stories, and how to use it for your e-commerce shop to get more eyes on your social media posts. It only happens 3 times a year, so don't miss it. All the links are in the description to all of those wonderful things. Now, your challenge for today is to record a video and upload it to social media. Don't forget to live your dream every single day. I can't wait to hear about how your video recording went, and I will see you guys tomorrow.